tutaweka hapa kwa mtaro.
Songa hivi kidogo.
Inukara kila mwina. God is good and all the time. Is God good even when mama is asleep? Okay. Mbiyamule. Abantu babugetenga mbiyamule. Itangani. I'm happy chief. Mwalimu Mbiyamono. Munyabere ende buwango. Kurumambie na kolere mikutano. Na buwate graduation. Kwanza abana vange kurubugirango gaiga. Tuwalenga alibo basi. Abana chirivu isatu. Bankora graduation ya ajiri. Na imunga kuruweka rona kuora sana na igoro na myokochi a town, a stadium. Mwalimu ngoko na nkwa poli account secretary. Nkwa politi. Ono account secretary na aroro tuarusi na ende tabaka. Tuaenda kumusua in. Account secretary na rumonto monene. Oyo gatatu after governor, deputy governor, account secretary. Ngobugirango na bwaterte serikali yigawo. Na onkor. Domisiano ne family ndaite mbakire na ndaite ngokora iga ndaite kumyoka mpaka Nyangoso. Kana ikire Nyangoso ngena naira pole ya Marogoba. Ikera Mambia. Na rank maite na igwe kiroge gebo byo pati. Maite kiroge kinayo. Ngireki. Oya maite wa chairman. Ngolyo maite ngireki nayo. Muga ko mo tunde de bundole ngamanyi kiroge kinayo. Munongelia yankale. E party leader o yara nasi betekia. Oyo koroganale informed. Deputy party leader. Wiki ya magikuruku ODM. Wono mambirazi mangi yore show. Naro lazima nkigaiga onyengo cha gweta ngitilioka manya kugenda wichi Migori kwegole show ya Migori. Igonaro nga lazima msano no musani one sana. Msano Mbiyamono ande pole asoko musima mumbino. Narora mumromino tuomrana nere oyo. Narole naendo mwako onde nere maigalia. And the whole family pole asoko musirio mwongna. Abantu aminto balinga bamanyite. Tiga konyugwa. Bali mo manyite. No, bali ba ngagirite kurali tangani. Mwenzi mwagite. Mbiyamono. Ntegete ntebe nga ngokwana narole actually natiga aba MCA babonsi no twangena barabwe posongo. Onese nginjo wate chigali chinke yana ne rai kuigole para na batanganire. Igongo bandeli baga you quickly say hi tigankwana. Ena achire koina ne pole usengora yane umumroyo mchwa. Mungwano oyo no mbutuko gati nabakumunyora kalenka. Mumroyo na call the form 4. Akaende university akatigira anjira. Esenge njagendo kieke HBS. Ajiri na mdenga Domisiano to kunywa kombwati kurumaiga kangabono ina ko etega asiyo chief officer. Anyendiri abo ate degree. Ena decide tina ende bono esenge nje mamobwa mwaboro oralire. Na motebye momobole. Na mdenga Domisiano ngendongo kora irane skuru okole. Yani boli mumboyo boli gabo girango no chutu arubo boli mubunga nina kipora boli mububongo. Mwisonde karabaje tebutuko baje tena mumro mwabo no muwakiri naro kurukumurara bagandenga baachire bamwira ndiye se portal ye university. and chibesa chuka chiabo within 60,000 ans namdeti gakole ko tindika mamu mwabo ngaka ni chibesa echo asome ako muwanja boyo andika okoronye miaka 5 etara na bongo muligiri gento anyao koreke keraba ekerobwa to musani na ekabo musani oye
Mwega sigaki.
Taliboyo. Nanje bono ntaka maiti bantu banene bali manyite na wete type we. Abana bo basani bali bono to. Na bali nanje. No endiriye keroge campaign bali mota amanyite. Abana mwalengete simba ne awatege tole. Lakini abange bokeige na mangana to yamukwana. Igodo misiano. Tato tayanganya sai kawanje ko korono ekorende I'll pay for the school fees. Once amasomo no ne wiki goje. Muwanja boyo. Nonyo medoma. Mukaoga ya. Na people. Na bana. Bono ingi baba yoga. Filme ni nyuma yetu. Okay. Ona ina boko nyosomia bana na nje sombe musajo. Talio. Na dio some tayo we. Ono tigan kolia yo musacha, nera tomuja mutomo kibarua na era go some. Igolio kana litura nyolegesa. Wasebon. Mbiamon sanza. Sanza do misiana. Abantu aminto timbu atimange. Umongno ralire. Mwata chinga kichinde ekara ralire kana litua manyinga taiyo. Ekiero monto no omo moika bo moyo. Mwata na boko buturu no eno kogoro. Kero kwa buturu gotinde kwe. Lakini moyo, lakini kero kwa ralire mna ralire igatakortiki taiyo. Mpaka Yesu irandire. Abo girango. Mosega abaro gimbale ngabe kanga ko koyo. Basira. Ewan. Oya mene te kia. Tindi mora ande na nda wongo kolera. Manya Yesu ngo koraleki. Kwera na. Gakwira na tiganyole kwa rosi chinjira chiao. Chinsa chinde chiachira ale mono na intuto gendrete kubwatirira ebintu bitaiyo. Byatwira niri maega. Abantu bamintu nyakitali yetu ya busongoga nandi nanye kwana enanyole to boibi boro babigete keumbu kyo boibi bako sangirili milioni 47 choka metinye 3 lakini nato kwana ikakana ruseti omonto lengo tenerete oyo seito omonto mu yororo munyakitali ako sangirili milioni 200 korusa 47 matukaya nje tindi kwenda na besa kuchinya kitali enya kitali ebwate chibesa chiaye okorere gasi abana barengi gukubali bakuiburwa nyakitali ali bali bakuiburwa enusu ya bali baiburwa ebaguku onya baiburwa 50 25 bakoraki ebaguku abantu abanene yabono kiri abantu abane bayengokwa litko 24 hours abantu 25 wiko 27 esengenje improvement ya service abantu bono ba ku naturally nyakitali ali ba ku karibu abantu batoko ikabatano babiri inki naende turanyale gokora no goten abantu bona batanga simba moyigule bako simba KTRH nesengenjo noona atachire pipe eli ba enkonyonya osone mutaite nyebwatoke Ono ni inkonye bwatu kabanda bamba iba bataba mbako baletera besa. Mo wanjanye taje kabisa. Mpake kamuke. Igo checheteyo. Na rueto mucho motaka. Lazima nanje ndo aneregesa kugeto kyo abantu abataka. Ondo bwate mbiyamo na nyasawa bose seniri lakini otige abantu bandi bakoreke. Bakonyeke. Abana bagende school. Basari besa kitali ngororo
mukoli gavana liko
besa nchi ali ngororo 5 million K ward. Chiro nchiyo aibone singe njura nyota anyolete kwa lingi mugondo na igota manyire chi milioni sano SH ward 45 225 million ngena nitukusingima wiki ere moto mo county secretary yo muyana harusi bogiranga rero bono iga ango saini milioni 185 chi machine tu anyora yogo chago choro bo chabo ali busombo. Tuesday tumaye kobeka 25 million chi abana bako genda vocational training center abana abamramu ko the form 4 gaiga rero graduation nabo atabanta abange bankora graduation na baisike abamrana ari muri ngimo gokora ya ngyo gokora mubol orochi no molebya abana bamura tiyo toletes no ena America umuchando monene akonyora basfati na ba graduate kuruji school ochikobole bamura kaibira odenga nechera bali kali bonse. Boy child, don't let us down. Aba nginambia naende ntu ateba bamura ngake so wanje kwenu mutiga abana baisika bakoleki baso onye gotegeti gokora umwana obe kabite uniform ako enda uchiali ali buya sonera na mukago ka uniform kago tar uchiali kwa moromo no mwana besu musebon mutige abana baisike basome ndaite ndigirega go esenge njomo ngoralira tumesiana kwa nyanyete ngombe kwa nyanyete na mutumanye nyengombe abantu bali kuruigo lero na mambia umongi natinde kuboronge muwanja boyo asayi amange moko nganjira kyaran kuminyokan tiganda akwane gendeka umumrana umongwana na ekeruga koruku rachama osoro rachani honest moma nero na obo county secretary namte period ali omwere neribe yanchandire sana lakini bono esenge njo amangana na aba byo bero montomia mu wanja omulembo mebo nali obosensi obonge ba omuntu nchandete mono otumie tabaskali bobe muntu okorukugashago babone yonjo kande mu maitenga ke ba yonjo ndoko manga babo soro mbaje bamwerenka
ya baba ready ka ba
ono tuarati girega bunga serikali ya kolega asia obo mo chimotuga iga ebokongete no bokong lakini tusabiri nyasaye ngaki tusabiri nyasaye atokonye mna tokwana ujimoto. I want to thank abantu bali batenere na Domiciano ne family. Domiciano, continue. We will stand with you. Ngote natuna abantu bamentu babugirango to make sure to arosi busiyetu. Mo wanja moyo. Omo Eliopi. Tigamba boli. Amu angete karibu chikura Jones. Ngaki tianda naraba ko sayire boli. Na ende tingo yara ko gonsera bantu baito bonsi kusengima nintene na baro nganchere mheshimiwa MCA njwa omugako oyo ntwa na twalenga patanga aliegeti mwenye pretendria asireti omongnoe mugako oyo he has supported me supported serikali bya sana esenge njiyo na make shanga no na magendero no ne chireye Nyamarambi ingigero egeti awa ni nganja town ya Nyamarambe won tiga ndama kana echiro tiga ndama kana echiro town ya Nyamarambe mmaita matobe na mangi sana ko bororo ntoi wana mheshimiwa ni nsatete some little money chokorosie ka town ya Kagaito kabe moyo echiro mno lya kwa na abantu na ali bakwana mpara igo ndobate geti ndobata hata than hiyo si Tiyo. Uta kubeka bagaka bali batulike na ine keginga sto kubeka divat. Eon. No abagaka banne gaiga to ko abeka batoro sento nyole keti. Tigambo abagaka banne murega. Naroli abagaka banne nali. Nto nakoro. Chief Tono tenena igor ayo mugaga mutago isaranse nabagaka bakeiga mu isaranse nchemondi geli motomoyo na bonkorigana milioni 5 usikomi trose agachiro asabangana bakoiga mo identify na botoko kole supplementary as long as igeti keronyueta se dibagadre ne kerwoime chief ga kita wanje boyo sine chief mumoja ni mubange buya tubange gento nabagaka baba nene toronya kitoko banga kero
kwa heshima Kudus, karibu wote tusimame tunapomlaki gavana wetu. Tafadhali kujeni tu hapa mbele kabisa, msalimie gavana. Kuja mbele kabisa, msalimie gavana. Chukua huko, kuja kabisa. Peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia, peperusha kofia. Haya, makofi yote. Tupige makofi yote. Karibu sana Your Excellency. Karibu sana Your Excellency, karibu sana. Tena tutakuita wacha tupate MTC mbio mbio, wako na dance moja hapo kali. Sogea mbele kidogo. Wako sawa? Your Excellency, kwa nimeisimamisha kidogo hapa.
Katikati.
Ove na buga njaro ke simba charo kango.
Freddy.
Na buga tume simba tu mango. Aki simbone. akio mwana one tumo tumengora ichong tumerani pabora kabao panyana baya aya wonya akio mwana one tanto ngora bagambi baito ainu na baya konya babura ta seranga jare.
What was up, Monaco? Who up? Are you happy? Allow me to take this opportunity and thank you, my deputy, the leadership of the assembly, led by the speaker. So, Speaker, thank you. I gave you some work, and again there was a panel which I've done the interviews today to give me the new count secretary. First and foremost, allow me to congratulate the ever-active count secretary, my brother Mombasa. Mombasa, you look smart. You will, every person will agree with me. Last time when Mombasa was in another part, he was not looking good as he was looking now. I rained on him. He used to have the vote for most of the time. But to some extent, I'm happy. He's reduced completely, looking good. And I'm happy rather that you have nothing, you're holding back. Congratulations. I want to promise that you will still be a strong person in my government. You will be a strong person in my government. You will coordinate many of these your colleagues as we have been doing. You will help the new Town Secretary in delivery and making sure we have attained what we promised the people of Kisii. Kwa hivyo, Mombasa, again, I'm happy what, the new Town Secretary, you don't do what the law requires of you, you will definitely act. But then, it's not only acting, I'll affirm you as the what? The council. The only one weakness with him, which I don't expect to see from, that's not from the we have a problem to tell us. One problem, his weakness, when he was under pressure, he would always switch off his phone. I look for him the whole day. I don't expect that one to be. Even when EACC, I'm happy the team from EACC is sitting there. Even when EACC is looking for you, just avail yourself. They're not going to kill you. Him, when you hear EACC, they are around the corner. You will find him in some ground. This means you are known. At the Jera, I am one of my chief officers. The day that he entered, the first day he entered the office, he slept in prison. This is the thing you are not for him. But I'm happy, again, I promise, I've directed that the Deputy Governor, you will organize this gentleman with the coordinate of all the other departments of the country to make record. Wewe nguvu yako iko tu. Lakini pombe, as we agreed, we're not going back to pombe. One of the reasons why I'm a governor is to lead the people, to lead them personally, and make sure the family is there strong. I want to direct that there will be changes. There were changes this week, there will be changes. If you get yourself in the new alignment, please, fanya kazi. Wale mtu mzuri na penda wewe, kwa hivyo utaendelea kufanya kazi. Asante. For the new Town Secretary, your name is symbolic. A gentleman who has given you some problem. And I'm told you are good friends. what I want to say is this. Forget anything else. We have given you a responsibility. And the responsibility is to serve the people of Kisia. There are 45 wards. Your office is empty. There is a lot of temptation. The one transferring people from one department to another. There is people who want favors, and those favors, they come with goodies, and Dano and Kobe. I don't want to say what happened before another person resigned in receiving bribes. We will not allow it. We campaigned on a platform of zero corruption, and we hold on those principles. Therefore, you better know these people by names. Unajua director nani, their name in the government. The good thing you come into office, I want to tell you today, Tuesday, you'll be signing an MOU with KCB of 25 million, which they have advanced to us for vocational training centers. Actually today, you'll be signing an MOU with the SWED program, and that's why I wanted the MCS thank you, the extended the city. Now today that I have a new town secretary, they did not want anybody who's acting. They wanted substantive council. We're going to sign an MOU, which is here, of 189 million for the separation machines we were given by SWED team. Kwa hivyo umeanza na kishindo kikubwa. You're the big man here. Of course, I know you've given a vehicle, but it is not new, it's in sound, mechanical sound. Therefore, you'll be, that's unakwanga na gari. Wakati mafuta imeisha utaweka. Lakini sasa would be giving you a driver, you are entitled to a driver, a vehicle for purpose of running the business of the government. Kwa hivyo wewe ingia ile miguu yote nafanya kazi. Nothing is easy as it looks. Everything takes longer than we expect. And if anything can go wrong, it will at the worst possible moment. For the time being, nothing has gone wrong. We will be there. Even for those ones who are sitting in the warm pedestal, the railway will shake their foundation. When we are tightening the belt, there are those ones who are loosening. I've been receiving for the information I got this morning. I'm not going to blame. I'm not going to sleep. We will deliver. I'm just asking, if I am not stealing, who are you to steal? If I am not asking for bribes, who are you to ask for bribes? There are rare areas, I can assure you. We blame the past regime on wrong things. There are groups of people who have decided they must take us back there. Hatucheki na wao, tutaanguka na wao. That's for sure. There are people who have decided, and I'm happy to see a team from finance. The CFO, the minister. I'm sure that you guys have been trained by Treasury. The effort I made sure the people from Treasury, National Treasury, they have been here for the whole week and they've done some good work. I don't expect these contractors to follow me that they're not being paid because of issues. Now going forward, the government has come with a new system completely. On monitoring of projects, there will be no supply of air, there will be no roads which are not done that will be paid. I hope for contractors that are paid, forgive me, for those ones who are going to be paid, you will be paid the money. For those ones who have worked, you will be paid. Probably next week, all payments will be done.
most of those ones who have done. Isn't it the CFO? Yes. I know this because they have been taken through some good courses. And the learning is a continuous process. Kwa hivyo, nataka niseme niachie hapo, niseme kwamba for the office of the county secretary is tempting. Actually, I've not heard anything of him of asking for a bribe. I've not. You know, I was making a joke, just say. I was making a joke with the speaker, my deputy, and the leadership inside here. You know, you come like a county like this one as a governor, then you look at very beautiful ladies who are here. Am I the one who employed them? Was I even working there? Am I the first person looking at them? No. They have been seen by other people. They have been working. Therefore, I don't expect immorality is something forbidden in my administration. Sasa kusikia unajua you must advance sexual favors for you to do something. You utafanya kingine sio hata fisi ambaye ni mwerefu akulagi mahali anaishi. Sasa na baba wote. Ni na ungora yeye ni kwa tumbulize. Eka na bulia yeye. Is your wife? Madam, what do you do? Kuja hapa na bwana. Linda bwana. Na sister akisha kwamba the only thing, if you used to come early home, you are sure you may be coming at midnight and from my office. Lakini mambo ya everything else will take care of that. Na wewe naona mrongo mzuri, mama mzuri. Wewe Mungu, you know, power can enter na iingie kwa mfuko, ivunje wewe. Would not allow. We make sure that this family is strong and going on. Kama ni mlevi, ambaye mambo ya ulevi hakuna. We will not accept it. Kama ni mlevi, niwe wine yake anakunywa kwa nyumba, asubuhi anakuja somo. And the good thing, you know, in a head teacher, you know, teachers that benefited in my government big way. Kwa hivyo mama, wewe watu wako wapi? Unamfuka? Good. Good. Kwa hivyo hii familia nzuri, endelea will support. Thank you. That's okay. Allow me to leave you there because of a long day. We had graduation for Ajiri at Irongo. I have a long day. I have to run to South.
Yes. County Executive Committee members who are present, the chief officers, coordinators of our Achiri program, our partners, most of the directors that I've seen here, county officials, youth, leadership, and representation from all parts of the Kisii County, ladies and gentlemen. It is gratifying to once again officiate the graduation of yet another cohort of trainees under the Ajiri program here at Irongo, Basi Chache Ward. Today, 1,300 trainees, majority who are youth, are graduating, with 216 being from Basi Chache Ward, Satellite Center of Kisii Ajiri Center. The trainees have undergone training in ICT and other empowerment courses. So far, over 12,000, and it's important for me to emphasize, over 12,000 youths have benefited from the free ICT training since Ajiri Center was initiated in Kisii County 2 years ago. I want to take this opportunity to thank the local leadership for partnering with us in sponsoring the opening of Ajiri Training Center in this area. This has enabled us to avail this program to mashinani people from the main center situated at the Gusii Stadium, where two of my officers camp are situated. Ajiri is a program aimed in opening avenues for training and employment opportunity for our youth, especially in the online platform, which is now the in thing in the world, better known as the global village due to improved internet connectivity and increasing reliance on digital technology in the job market. And you have seen out of it, we have already 11 of our young people through Ajiri joining courses in the universities in China. I'll later explain. There are those ones who think China, even one province of China could beat our country, Kenya. But I'll explain that one much later. It is important for this reason that I need to reach out to Ajiri, courtesy of MasterCard Foundation Centum, to establish the Kisii Ajiri Center at Gusii Stadium to help youth access training and employment opportunities for free. With the increased demand in Kisii County, I personally persuaded or pushed for the extension of Ajiri program, and I'm grateful for the continued support from the sponsors. In Meno, there is one in Sameta, this one, and Monyerero, Nyakembene. There is one in Nyakembene in South Mugrango. Through MasterCard, Shopcom organization has also come up in to help us in the sponsoring of our youths to pursue technical courses in various technical colleges. Therefore, the Ajiri Center is a game changer in providing a platform for our young men and women to nurture and showcase their skills, talents, and have them exposed to the job market out there. Through this program, earlier I just mentioned 11 best performing students who are selected and joined higher education institutions in China, taking different courses including electrical engineering, bachelor in medicine, aeronautic. You have heard from the parents. I'm also delighted to announce the new partnership between Kisii County and Stanbic Foundation and American Tower Corporation, ATC, which seeks to train more youths in digital training or skill training and give them access to online jobs. As a start, the following vocational training centers will be offering the training, and it's important for leadership in our county just to note. In Bobasi, there is a Gionseri vocational training, Nyaburumbas vocational training, in Bomachoge, Kenyenya vocational training, that's in Bomachoge, but Nyaburumbas in Bomachoge Chache, Kenyenya is in Bomachoge Borabu. Keumbu Vocational Training Center, Nyaribari Chache. Ria Nyoka in Nyaribari Masaba. Nyaore Vocational Training Center, Kitutu Chache South. Manyansi, Kitutu Chache North. Nyachenge, South Mugrango. Kirwanda, Bonchari. So far, we have enrolled over 500 students on the program. The graduates today who have, and I want to say all graduates who have a D+ in KCC can register for the program, which is free and certified by Microsoft to enhance your digital skills and get concessional on the online jobs. Equally, with the ongoing digitalization of government services, including medical insurance and education access, literacy in ICT, now basic necessity, and Ajiri comes in handy to equip the people with the digital utility skill. I urge our leaders, it's important for me to do this, to embrace this program and work with us in promoting youth empowerment to create a better future for all of us. Allow me to say this. Abantu aminto enakuana gesonge. I want to reiterate esekegusi. Before I do that, I want to thank those directors I saw here. I was not taking away students from your colleges. That I want to assure you. It was not my intention. I could not do it, but it's only to empower these young people to get us moving. This is my village. I grew up here. And if you realized, may I not say this, because I'll speak it in Ekegusi so that these people can really get it right. But I want to assure you I'm ready. And for those children who have traveled to China, and I'm happy there is a program of Germany. I can tell you in Germany, there is one secrecy. It's Germany. Abante ba ibolet. Karawai ka asikite bagatia kuibora. Bono, serikali ya Germany ego tenga montonde bwenzi okuibura omwana oyomo eba ko mongno yo omwaka mogima maternity leave kabere Germany bana mbali waka na school fees koru standard yam lakini wako moja ni wako nyora babere umusacho ga ko wenusu omwaka oba naye kole ndo omwana bama ya waka na chibe sesenge njo konyora abana ati bako irororo lono nga abantu abanna bara abange kubwa abana bobo irenga ensi abo kana berabe bobe bone bakuru chibe sampaka abantu bali kolki aiga oso konyoro mwana no nyebesa ti no ko maite me chanda me korbe ngi moko no renge nje na mwa donge nganchere nkuwa neiga abantu baminto chinse chiri chino ni chigenderete ensemna ya China yani naone miaka ndoteba naone miaka mia igocha eli 12 pinto hiyo tinkuma osemte kere chinse chiri. And for the parents abayiboli bali mwarita bale China nko batebi bali taliyo ndoko batebi naende batebi nyeke konyalikana ba okora abamura baroro banyuo mororo abaiseke ge konyalikana bakoleki naende batebi bamanyege China. It will be an added advantage. Ntu agenda e college yemo a polytechnic na irete a number of MCS ororo at polytechnic e kuruku one polytechnic na ene university etu ya Nairobi tewe ikera abantu bali abana bago somi wororo especially asemangana a mechanical engineering na oba koras Mercedes Volvo nichigali bago somera ntuntu bwati no ane liye saligete mata inchiri chinya chikorwe se chikambani chiri abantu baminto obuli mubwairire osibona mubwati obuli moga wonumbeyi bwati gere buyek na arali bole na sabana mongabo taliga oka gusiengima orumonyerero rogoro ogende mpaka bogirango ogende bonchali ogende bunyaribali ogende bo machoge ogende South Mugrango mali mutakole tiki taizyo obuli mubwati gere buyeka no bwa abana na abana mwa the graduates today. I want to urge you have an opportunity. This we have not been charging you is a free course ntori waka ni no shilingi ebe sayokoranyo baka ntene yange ne certificate gochimoto na ngokwana na mu MCA itoga iga na ne immediate neighbor nko batenga ngake kunyarikana intubune serikali tubeke kibeza asa ajiri program And I want to plead with you, Wakili Nolega, let us check what we can be able to do. Torenga kito kwa leo vinte. Again to gia kabere. Gusiengi mamwa iguna soma asechi constituency kianda. At least whether Stanbic ntubuate a vocational training center to adisaitiri mpaka batoire chikompyuta. Mheshimiwa Sonya nabo oli waziri wa education on the ngamba bwate wifi, and the wifi is not expensive. Ego summit I want to direct make sure a wifi are very provided your abanafunzi bali bagenda kutumia. Ni maetengwa maetengwa tebanga chikompyuta kya the promise umwe Ismail wade gwangu sinyora bolere mpaka standard 8 okamoji kwa wali mama, but you see ne role in charge ajiri. This young man is doing very well koru South Mugrango ne rote batalinja na kwana mwe wao kwana lakini ngwa diga bona mato no mongro travoli na muo meta na mata bana na atika onwa na kama iska ga karibu drama chobole lakini akaraku ngaba sako mpaka standard 8 wakati geri standard ya moibere gawo ngawa nyago itira karaba sako sali eki mattress again drate banga chi computer chiri chi abwenta kurwewe chirwewe no ninje na promised 100,000 for that function. You know that I've said it will come in the form of computer. Abana ba correct basome. Ngokwana ndegora irongo mo kumya abantu aminto nkaga. Mubanyete. Ngokwana. That representative of Shofcom. Baba ntaito wakirambia mungana naro rengo myara kinna igune bintu mbe bya mubwata. Ay naro le no na ndem byo isogeta. Ntaito watebaiga. Totaito to akambia no, but Ken is supposed to come to see me nkomomera nande ndole go semba toega aki abana no enebwe. I will be able to do it. Gamba denga wetra Shofcom. Ega asba kolire kenyingi matari gusi. Ora sekwae onye to koleto umwana ogasome. Umwana ogwate gusine D+ go chigoro na bago soma. Na bakowe free scholarship basome. Ntakitentebe ebintu bitatu before ntarakora. Abangina bali mwatera iganda itemba kirembya mo. Chimwido chonsi piusi ko every word. Nintagetendole akitoko bakonya. No ene basa ritoko enana nintagete kwanza turaraba na aba no dali abana aboraka abana bangina aboraka abana ngakitoko baroka chintakana banyore basari ecyetororo igabangina kando na especially onyu musaja kororo ayembi yoli wechimukawo nabo aokorora olema Mono bali batabuwa ati na intu tigata Yesu abo musacho ino. Kosa na berego. Ekera ya berebo igo na intu aseli bagare ya Yesu tonyare go konye ga aseli Yesu atotomire. I think wetre program yaito and the Deputy Governor Olegaiga, I want to ask you make sure to answer the program where you go identify our widows, all of them. Torenga October involved in the exercise yoko develop pay county yetu. Nebe njirenke na botoko bakonye. Na boy gotalia aba bangna widows boka no ena bangna bagotu na bagaka bagotu. Bantu balega igara batali koranga batanya korana no mugati. Kosa rabere. Ndi mwali de nyamali dangen. Esubuku. Idaruete abantu baminto ntagite ntebeiga birthday naro inyole the birthday mpaka bono ngangeri naende chechiche mbia mono baba ntage tente beke naende monte gerabia ense ya utotelibia ebe naende mbirio chikoro balinde ebigende to koraki wakonga nchimwe mugabano ino ntaye ko bashwa abantu mwe twa wakamalyo no embali twalenge na baragwe campaign imwe inyolete abande twasunana nite abande twaberegete ebaigwete mnabono nyuwete nga ebaigwete bube sana na kinata chete umupira wo boibi olenge KTRH. And it's important kera abana baitomboriga bako graduate lero ntebeiga mupira olitindiko chikonyotigera na itikolinde konyotaja engo tabango sabanya sayanga ki ange chinguru ndagire mente chikiro ntacho mupira olimono KTRH yita abantu bamintu KTRH yita abana bainko iboruororo enusi aba bainko iboruororo baingo kwa 50% abantu barengi ko kukera bituko 24 hours nyakitali yeto gari abantu 25 weka 27 bere muna togo kwana abantu abana bawo kunyakitali okonyora bali bako ba transferred go chororo kurwese nyakitali chinde it's around 12 to 13%. Abantu bawo kunyakitali rero gari amakweli ya kawaida abantu batatu weka batano batatu Kurushina saba. Ntaito wote baiga. Omopiro olioro, and I want to assure those ones who think that I will release pressing ad on corruption, I will not leave it anytime soon. I'll deal with those corrupt individuals firmly, without fear or contradiction. I want to tell you, even if you have your agents anywhere else, be assured, you will make noise, but for KTRH, I've changed the way of doing things. KTRH gari no bango sangeli milioni 47 shuk meeting tatu dero etero sangeli milioni 200 intubule county government ndiri kwa KTRH besa chi operation chibesa chire chibayisaina lakini abantu mbali bayigwetu bobe no bango ko supplier machembo no bango ba mariyo kurmambi mpaka marago umuntu kabune kire chichuma kiri no bakoiba abuna enda nabarai nabu bali bawaka mariyo mubayigwe ngo badenga ki embali gereti ko rwetini nebe mnanko inko make sure nyake tano regusi yabere moyo intienduoro I'll make sure yabere moyo manye kurwo lakini eme kole eri romo kongo sapi I'm determined kokonye gisaku yetu maraika ta kurwa ndons ache cross gusi yetu lazima ntutuka toba maraika vichinga chetu yendo ya kiaga tatu abana baiseke bara wanafunzi ensengima all over the world. If you go to the USA and America, graduation yako nyaba isike na babangi ogende nseriyo ndeons okonyora abasubati na ubaraba bagosoma. And I've seen moche kichi abasubati abako soma as nurses, almost all of them abambrana bakibaro nabaye naboyo noyegaiga abasubati na wabangi aba muraka yibale abana bamuraka yibale abantu baonjo kemeke nyoro na iwete gaiga abantu bansiri ko bachiombe ndaye wote abayibara bechombe ndo kubanjira kiye kimwanze ko bachiombe ma I can assure you na aligeti 1200 ngabeka kando ntagete turabwata ababi batatu abande tigabasambu na masaroli ekerabasa mo baita bakwe agutara olrekana ngono mu bichombo kolete orenge mo itakwe ekera abantu abaneke cyabansire mwanze ko bachombe gaiga libaga muko cyagaiga musome abana abamura narali muri America abange necera bali achari okuboli ngaki where the young men ngadi are in jail Ndayetentebega the young people, we have a responsibility. The parents, they have done their part. I want to request, also do your part. Igo, congratulations for the ladies. We will shape the society because of you people. Again, don't get it at Wakwanwa, think also Kimunjaira. Abantu maite bebire ngo Kimunja kordeki. Kordeki. Naende kerwa soire egokora enyumba esenye chama liyobo na kiregento abantu tigatu be disciplined twaro mukungoyo mwenye tukunyara gutwara nyomo yonde onye taribo igo onye lazima otware obusani isiko tumie condom Osema mwale ngela tingwa na binte nienda yatanga mama murega ya lakini lazima ngoreki ukuwa ne nitakuwa neti ngoja ukuwa na sama tanga igo abasacha mura ekondo mnejishingi komchoka na ate ngwe chinde chikona nubusa echinde mbosa dalibo abantu wetemba maite na abangi namba manyete sababu teyo no mongo imbiale wachana na yeye kama hujaweka mwavule mongo inju baba injo waja kuja omongna ukidomo ngaini na kiremo ndra korebeke ogoleli buri nene baba na shika mwavuli kona ndio watamaini buri ndio maji ingina bwana before mongo na taraja na libuli amangana yo ukimwe no abantu bamento tigato make sure lero neli tukuriye school bana mbaiya tigato kuane ndo kwana boy igonko basaba mwensi uso wanje kwaino tigato lenda magimaitu endagira amangana ya kansa ya baire bobe kansa nero yemioyo kansa nero yoroiboro kansa nero yorobere kansa nero ya yeliu negento ke kogera nesenge nchiendagira tokoli ebitume kero togo kesa enkubasaba tigabuyome ni maite ngaba bibe bitumambaro lakini ni mtagete toje toywane especially nkaga torogo septira nebi yage ekiere tumabiriye karamoko gesa mwabongorora mwabyanekera mwabekeriyobo iberera ndiri kuruoro kale ebitume bya enkogeswa byabe kukiage ende yanya waka libere lya correct lyarwo esumere kwa aflatoxin ende enko basaba lazima torenga kitokoro sigesa kwetu ntaito wote baiga our vocational training center litikulia jumaene liwoch na ndi wetere benge kuruku Kenya Commercial Bank ngo saen tuna barabwemu twakore kiregento ngo ali headquarters Nairobi batoire na ndenda tote bega batoire million 25 na into account twatebe tubeke million 25 abana babwate B ne B plus wochigoro bagende ase chi polytechnic kito vanse chikozi nchongo chiko bakale shilingi isamara tonere mata isamara nere mata gaya nabege tichimiro nisana birororo na atebire egitwe ebrasi bibiro sigwe abantu bare ntororo abana barino no na ajiri toko nyandiri kopiki buya na otokoraki toko nyeira say that abana basome kurororo chi vocational training tubwate 59 gusiengima abajumbe bakembale to na barabo na ende ya Kenya Commercial Bank egocha ko bana barabu chi milioni 5 for vocational training courses igo ekero tokirete ngata talibosa tokirete ne kerindo ekenene sababu tiyo okubukuri omwana fomfo omuira chikolema kolema ngo komokonya tiyagende anyore course no ene yokubeka omuliro bwika bose no ene bongo no bongo sone bikoroto tros no ene factory yo cross cake bikoroto giko nyari kanonye no cross ya match epramba ne ya moyo katubate kenyoroga ya akuru araje ga akuru oyo araka ye Kongo nero yocha mpaka maato cha kondosa chipipe cha maji bantu ba ande besa wako mingi no kondro wekera twaronanire na bongo mwiti na nelwe ya monya kurage ano kumenyete mugondo tutageti koiro mwana asome talibesa twakubulia etwateri murete tomosomi anyore kaige ntagotamira na wetera gagwe serikali mwaro chimosonde serikali foreign affairs ntogende tekoringa ki ikera toira mabagachiri bwikome ntagetendore ngaki ngweti no makego achagusi lakini tata kira gukwana achiche tokonya abana baito bagende isiko yense ka bakonye gesaku yetu na decide abana bake ko sponsor tole bagende isiko bueno madona mongna endongira na bongo baira rakini wanu mataga bongo bwa kongire ntogotenga ndotaka ko muringa bongo rakini wona mnabono umwana naroro nero nyolte scholarship yoko enda Chongqing korukiumbu natebo mwana oyinko muliyende ticket agende asome ali China wetra nyaore mutinyo naende na botra basa kolija banafunzi ko technical training schools cheto ba actually what you an polytechnic for further studies igoto basa ko isaranse kinyiroma iga unakwibira abantu nga umwana ga akorera form fo ngende cyo karengereti umumura ngo yende gendo kieke pigi ngo change tere ku woro igendo kio mweyo omuntu ole foreign affairs ondo tamanyeti na Mudavadi tari mtua yare labor nero godina mangana ya labor omo waziri omonene Mudavadi nero le foreign affairs igo aye omuntu omotambe manye bindebi wakwana kurwa una piki to nyagaka nande ngwara mnyoko jama sanga kaime mbiyao kororaga lero kore otenine nanchire ntebe bintu bike ebiro bigendrete ese chigo gete maiga ese constituency ngima contractor ya etwe ya kwete nande contract kia irwe moko nyara ko limonto mungao nkaranga ga isinge no ninka no ngo sokera ko ena ruse chibese cyane mubuko nkarosie pale iga nkarosie kugenda itimo le kugenda eskuru ngake mata getenga mabono eramye siekire ngumbugari daraja kanga tinguma nyitinari ngo sokera mpaka paraini pale ntu arosi era minege ndrete korosgu ya kogendo gembo eye itoga yeta machine ya soka kwenda ngumbu itumbe kere president njata bele ngochere ntagete kragocha kende nkeyengu mubuli lazima akole pale ile para chirina rosiri nchiroro chigendrete bono yanda ngonda tungakiro mweshimiwa mu MCA mbiamono because na role contract ya chiro into place na agendrete chiere chibe kwa mara mchirosu make sure eparge koroswa njetinko nyara koborro min muroro omonto korose pararo se parabia mu make sure rosi ya maraba obekira maraba maya ekiora min muwetoro nkumwaka na tole umuntu ngumwaka na tole talibosa nekibese cyene to kumwakana mubasa wanja ega asiye koleka nembe eseki para cyene no nekinya gitari kiri to kwagacha chiwodi chinde chiwote nyomonde kara kolera asiembe moyo bono nyiwete na atagete na ansto kolera asiembe mugati na mukamukani mo na akora mpaka nyiwete sameta mukwero mati agakani mo basagwancha umu contractor to wakana chibesa akore chese kipara cyeno gosomo ntuto iraro sinya kitali to amote biriabe keke gingi ke smiti obekire gendo keke kiyomote mo basagwancha ndade bashukuru ngagancha e contract ende kata kolete mucheso abana nchi boka banyere bagakana nganje yitoka mpaka etende yetwa tebetenga rasmero leru koba advertised mwandi kire bindonda taitiko soma gege binde nimeta ma osona maje ndo kwategora na alegora etangi de mata aye dilitwa enkoga abantu mbaleka yankora atumia mono tali ngambe sankoba amweshimiwa nani banda mbali kuboli bwe MC ko to basotu ara mujana na barabo ababone bako mnyoka nabu nkonyora ba kirase no bali tali be sankoba abantu abana abanyaba banoli tengenje wasema mo beko to chandete no mo ba ko na kwantenere ndete musabe ekera na role getie ki kange tu saranstense in the budget isaranzat na koro dem diamon egetie ke inta getembe ke chibesa kebe ke kauleki kera niwe asomo pakole oy kira oralia ororo Ntegeto mpaka osole ekiara ntuta tumenye no mulembe. Na ende ntaite make sure nga a wall ya ga chiro astubwato muchande wall to gozbeka wate wall to diri naye. Niwe to boli mubumbu chete mpaka mate. Talibo. Ntuta gite twaga no ne hall enene igaiga. Ntaite nsabega abantu baminto. No vamos mrominto. No vamos iskominto. Oboli muburubu wa serikali lazima mutikale kwa bagende tweke. Wa serikali. Mari jinga kichinde ndo injiro to ko everani mono. Ko everani nkukola tiki. Igonye ko maete no ini kroche tio sobole mob. Koraki suka na boli mubonde bwensi. Na arule instruction ese mu waziri ono planning chitaito chonsi chamalemo nkorosi ukire tonyare konyora na nto konyora na ntu tuwasukire tuwasuri kwao onye tubwata magoso etukugwakana na riwa agendere burunga lakini bono umuntu na mugakuria no rega bagakabande mbale maiga torosi asiga iga nayo kono ene litokema wose chinchugu wose nabereyo wose no na amachi leta no ngakia nkonyale kana tugo sabe ngakia nkonyale kana tugo sabo to bol mubus lakini obwa serikali barabu kosekango koletiki nko hiyo eyo ndonkere na kuwa na gero yo boy bibwe chombe na tebetu bwansire borobras maboera umu MCA chief incho amredi koena na chibesa togiye abayibi yabo nabonko libesa ebibiro bindo wanza kugamba ngana obwo biwe chiombe mpaka chingoko ya mate ngangere koera echire eli arenge 50 million plus 10 million he wants 60 million echire eli moyere coffee factory yetu na tebet million sana monchabe tuororo chimuki chichenchi machine eli torre bali babwate kawa ne bwate kibesa kinyingi tali yoka mpaka nyamache neyende nereboge tuturogoro neyende nyali baliga ki factory echo nanyola te million sana mo isana mo na be kirororo kibwenete go kolegasi yo omwelyo itumbe bohol ya elire na machi bona wente go timbo go chi emechi abantu. I'll make sure nko nyaronchi no mheshimiwa I don't know when you are arranging to nyaronchi amacha akoleki abantu banse kun mheshimiwa ntwa lonche ya me school ngumbu abantu bali kunyo machi ingo nyansakia na itibo market abantu mbali yote chibesa lakini to decide naende nkunyaga cha tole ebe moyo gesure dispensary echo ya nkwaga choronja erete motondo dispensary ntobegete chibesoro moche moregasi ewansa na umutinyo woche kiana lyokonyore tenda ya etire nyaganja dispensary chimilioni 5 nchabege tuororo na chirocho etenda negendrete. That's all. Those ones who are graduating today, okay. The students who are graduating today, I want to heed to the call which was made by one of the speakers that we want people to transit. Those ones who have been teachers, mwara bana wakenavuwa wanafunzi ngakikunyarikana. By the time we are doing recruitment for vocational training center, you guys, you people beneficiaries of those advertisements that we are going to put in place. I want to request kikuwa nyolere na ekera bana aba abalimu ababons, all these teachers you saw here, eba koirwa osema no mushahara no limu kan ngakira kini momenye ngakimura operate mutariko menyuken ngakibatariko weekend Ismail lakini ngento gekengera toko ba go appreciate dole bien mon no eno yega siae ne chere bwangu iga ere na muchama lakini na make plans ndolenga kitoko beke chibesanke se program tubakane abantu bamyinto nkole kubolya mangana 3 abantu ba bus chache abageni barumurakira abantu ba bus chache mula nimogogete twaleta egentekega tikatuborani ngwanja muri abana ba join college kakina nyeretire mpaka gisuna kiao osi kumotenga isibi gende klasi onye mwana taigwete primary taigwete secondary kakimo gwanja agende vocational training center atumie chinguru chiae chokoboko no bongo kako onye mwae yende kyo mwae chief ndaide mwae to mongno chief mongno enabo mwae tere no mugambi baba will support you make sure there is order ekenyoro and we will give you the support as the county government will always cooperate na national government tinda edo kuwa ngikegendre tense yetu abajumbe mumwe ngikegendre mumanyeti mumwe ngikegendre wana njengo kuwa ngikegendre talinga ngange tonde bwenzi serikali ya UDO maete nenya meni bwate mumaete ngakibanduwania emyaka erenga egere lakini nyasaye omuntu ori orengo tumya abasikari bobe omuntu orengo gotumya abasikari bobe mpaka ekera chichifu cyache tubone bakabarikira kisho cause letters ebaye njogete na ende tu sawa nyasaye akoro wanje kwae de wana ile na ende ndo mbashwe ekero brai tiga kuchaya abantu bande sika abantu naliyeko babya umuntu arudenga Kenya ne yejishia ole nga akaragocha kusiga ya devinga na letire chia makwani wege tunu igoro bono aye no murayo chore wege tunu igoro buyek osenke nyingima nga omanyete intwe n'abantu baminto abantu gopisha na nino ntuntu alenga abayibi abange chichera lakini bona matukaya abagusimu abere abayibi abange chera ikiyana kyocha watete to basabanya sanjo wanje kwae kyegocha abarayi bali barororo na libuto aranyore no aruta na anyora sako yanira manyanga no tigana no serikali boli wala tinda kuwa na ina mangana Kenya kwanza tingo kuwa na mangana ODM muma yatenda yewe kirokia kerekiek muma yadol obo deputy party wakia makiek kwana buya kwana na maringo ndagidemba mure tayari manyanga omondo na nenda tateba ososi ayabekwa atenenere amasrai yo monto yomo koru western ososi no montone Nasiri ko Mombasa omondo wiek asa abantu batototangaine talionde Paul igo mwaka raire to sabanga raira Nyasaye mwanjira nyoleyo ekera nyonga ya bekwa ekepindi kiroro akore lakini umuntu gwate bone kiama gyo ODM talionde ninjo murochega igo muroche mororo na kito cross kusiye ito ebe orange gaba heshimiwa be prepared tigakonya kuivuruga muivuruga bishuanga na watole twagache kiama torogo singa kitoka na ujumutwa na imtukana butokoros Kenya yaito tete ndigirigagwe tokole graduation kyabana aba abantu bamintu bankaga gokorando mukutano na inwe nande na promise ati aiga school gitenga igoro ngokorando mukutano before mwaka utaraera before isuguku
ngikegendredo esegie nene abantu bagukwimya kira litiko tigatusabirani abana nywete baito mbaro bakari Lebanon tigatubasabire abange bali bagwetu nebibago biri byalenge bya inkurda jibombo Israel lakini arole no yamba liepaka no na abana bakebago tigatusabira abana baitu Nyasaye kawanja enyege kunyarekana kiko poa baira ne kuboro no ni ran mwaro jembaru tete bombo chororo ni nyiwedenga na bira abasako babobe tigatusabire ense ya itengima omulembe no muya no wanye no okoli kinye ni cyawo kitabwati mabuta no muya abantu bakule aba Hamas bakule 49,000 baitiru n'aba Israel esenge injolire abantu aba Hamas bachete kuita abantu irweyemo baba Israel bayimukire basunyuntiru paka abana bake bakule tigatusabire ensi yetu ebe moyo kitobwato mulembe negentekia egento ngere data ta ukwana lakini tigange kwana jensi mbalema bakirambia mono mwaboki abarai kurwesi baraire Kenya ngima lakini mtu atagete ensi yetu SOSS na kitu ateba ngakiti atokonyo mheshimiwa Ruto atende miezi toka mwa abantu karibu 5 ku ODM mtu ntoli serikali muntu tabangaina mtu no ODM mtu tigarite koba ekiama ki opposition na nenkoro stole serikali ko jimotuga abranya bintu byose leka Ruto ka kuruwa 2027 simba ne president kwani kose mwanya bantu ni lakini tukumusaba ko lege pindi kiae atoere ninje deputy party leader ya ODM Mambia no nkalipo kere matika hiyo koigora chisho iko gas tuansire atonye tinja around inulende kenyura abayibasire tiganyi ko mubyo yo musambiro okoboko iyo nanage tuokugoro na liyo katara nyole koleta discipline around igaiga na tutasalie kenyura mo wanja boyo. With those many remarks, I want now to take this opportunity to call upon this. Oja tuwa tenda mwamu wake romano yo chief. Lewis ya njuga wapore fonfo. Mwano ni ofani yake. Ya kana ralia. Bonchari. Abai buli ba umbara?
Ai.
Basiri. Ndi wa kode fonfo. Last year kanyaraki. Pole ya. Umwana one orphan. Bible baemba hiyo ochire ajiri nkyo yo wao kora mwana otabwa ati Bible bae no embol momboko letiki mboiyo chiango chai chia muranyiwe. I want to direct ganyole manyana raligawa obol mugwaba Bible wabo gasmanyo Bunjari arani Mogmo. I'll deal with that one. I'll deal waziri. Omwano enta kwenye report. Mkuu ni account commissioner, account commander, we must make sure tuanyole obol mubu mwano. Mwanje boyo. Omwano oyo. Omwano tabwati bayibo baye. Ayenole gege no mwishi koneke sakani kia omwisa na nyomba. Otadeka again school. Never shame on me. Shame on you. Tell me you. Ngenjoti yobo isaranza no mwana kange yani tarikende ngo kole form 4 bero montomon. Ntoli wanchirana. Gakyo wanja kwao. Tigaba na waende school. Ya congratulations. Waziri, make sure mwisho tuanyole obole mobu onye to make sure nga ya mba kumura ninje gavana ya Kisi bonjari mogumo sasa simama hapo. Marwa Robi Moses, Doris Sakwa, Lucy Kwamboka Nyabutu. Etimu yekaye just come.
Tatu tunaruka wapi? Lakini wewe careful kupata kofia yako, si ndio? Abawande ndio batali kofia hiyo dimos kama yake. Nini ngaki ino iko. Mko tayari? Graduates, are you ready? 1 2 lazima mkae na mimi. 1 2 3.
Interested, you can come and register. Otherwise, I want to wish you well. Okay,
mimi ni Josephine Elkana. Mimi ni mmoja wa wale walibahatika. Mtoto wangu ni Victor Atima. Ako China kwa University ya Najib. Anasomea aeronautics and astronautics.
God is good and all the time. Wow, I'm very happy this evening. I'm by the names Dorika Kemuto, a teacher at Kisi Primary. I'm one of the beneficiaries through the program arranged by our able governor. So it is through the Achira program that our son Emmanuel Tito was able to get this ring, so that he applied and he was fortunate. He was chosen to go and do medicine, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. So our able, thank you so much, and may God add you. Let him give you long life, so that this boy is there for 5 years. He will come back in the year 2030, June. So we pray very hard so that by the time he is back, we are together. Thank you so much.
Na wasalimu nyote kwa jina la Mungu na la Baba. Habari ya jioni. Bigege, sauti Mogirango. Mimi ni mmoja wao wa wale wenye walifanikiwa, na tunashukuru sana Mungu. Lakini unajua hiyo yote ni Mungu alifanya. Kwa hivyo kwa hii programu ya ajira tunaipongeza. Mimi kijana yangu anaitwa Jared Barongo, alikuwa anasoma TUK Technical University in Nairobi, alikuwa anafanya aeronautical engineering. Hii ni mwaka yake ya 3 ndiye ameenda China kufanya. Nashukuru sana. Tunaomba kwanza Bwana Mheshimiwa Gavana atusaidie na asikia watoto kwa mkono, kwa sababu huko ni mbali. Kupitia kwake hao watoto watamarisa mzuri. Na wakimaliza kutoka huku, kama unafanya aeronautical engineering, Bwana Mheshimiwa Gavana, tunakuomba wakikuja usiwaache hivyo. Asante, nashukuru sana.
Our able governor and all protocols observed. My name is Kennedy Kombo Yanchera. I come from Bomachoke, Borabu. Our son was very fortunate that he's the only one who was taken to China for medicine. I'm very happy. Tunakushukuru sana gavana kuleta hii program, kushirikiana na wenzetu. Naona kama ni mzuri. It's a new program. Whoever who is interested, kindly jaribu na sisi tupate nafasi hiyo, kwa sababu yeye ndio peke yake alichukuliwa kufanya medicine. Tunaogopa hapa, lakini ako comfortable, ametuelezea. So we still need a lot of assistance from our governor, because like now our son was taken. We hope governor atatusaidia kijana aendelee amalize hiyo miaka 6. My son ndio huyu ni mama yake. Mimi naitwa Kennedy. Huyu ni mama ya mtoto. Kijana anaitwa Emmanuel Tito Kombo. Nashukuru.
Your Excellency, the Governor and your Deputy, and all protocols observed. Good afternoon. My name is Francis Machuki. Nasimama kwa niaba ya ofisa ambaye aliwatunuku gowns. Amenituma kutoka University ya Kisii, Dr. Raymond Ombui, akishukuru sana, lakini kwa sababu ya kukosa nafasi ya kufika amenituma nitoe msamaha wake. Kwanza ningependa kukushukuru Governor because of the good idea you brought. It's a brilliant idea ya kuweza kuwatayarisha vijana wetu kwa ajili ya kuingia into the digital world. That was the best idea you could ever think of. Na naamini ya kwamba if you did it for 5 years, Kisii County for sure will be very far digitally. Na tunajua ya kwamba kwa kuwa wewe ni mshirika wa karibu sana wa mambo ya digitali, with the way others have spoken here, I know very well that you have very good plans for these graduates who have graduated today. Ombi langu ni kwamba Governor, kwa sababu these guys have been trained, tested and qualified, ningeomba kwamba hawa walimu wao ambao wamewafunza, ikiwezekana uwavushe nao daraja, ili wale ambao wamegraduate today wawe walimu au wengine wavuke kiwango kingine. Itakuwa vizuri hivyo, so that we keep on developing one another, so that at the end of the day ukimaliza miaka 10 yako utakuwa unaja Kisii County katika hali nzuri. Mungu wetu awabariki, akubariki, abariki serikali yako, abariki wananchi wa Kisii County. Asanteni.
Eta Nguru Patrick Nyawayo, International Director as a Kisii Impact Institute of Science and Technology. Umugabana into asabete Nyasaye agatoiwa agatomurai. Kero programu ya ajiri yale gochaka una ituche investor cha Kisii anto atwarto bo wake kama no tukura wanafunzi. Lakini wono we are becoming the greatest beneficiary as a program way. Unatokuwa naiga abanafunzi abange bakurire okore program ya ajiri bajoin ya college yali mbagenda tekosoma. Na ende naga ni kuburia konya bayiburi mura mubwata abana ende batakurita form 4 na chikosi cha kile cha maoko cyokumina kubeka stima beka manje leta abana basome school ege nchiaye na lituranyore egesagukia mambi igobono mugavana tawakire mbya monase gasiye ngiokora nende ntukubwa sitikurumaiga na bututatele tokotebira, lakini we are doing a lot in the ground. Tenya saya ko seseni na moseseni umwezi.
Thank you.
Excellency, Governor, Deputy Governor, and all protocols observed. Guests of honors of today, good afternoon. No, you are not proud. Why? How are you? Simba netaya. Netaya re. Ningige kworoki. Yani muna mamesete iga mubwati mogoko. Thank you so much. Njasa Marieta, my name's Claire Osboriondieki. Officer, I'm working with the Shofco Urban Network, Shining Hope for Communities. Nimekuja kwa niaba ya hilo shirika kwa ajili mheshimiwa wetu our excellency the governor ulitusaidia last time kuweka mkono kwa watoto wetu kupeana parcels. We are very grateful and thank you for that. Kitu ya pili, kuna watoto I'm very grateful kupata director of education ya sector ya Kisii Polytechnic. Sahi tuko na exercise we are carrying on. Hata sahi nimetoka field kukimbia kucha hapa. Tuko na exercise of assessment kwa mashule zenye zina qualify kuchukua watoto wetu shule pia. Our organization it supports watoto kwenda shule for free without paying school fees. Tunapewa slots. Last time we were given 300 slots at Kisii County, but today I want to emphasize to our excellency Mr. Governor. I know our boss, our CEO, Mr. Kennedy Odede, is a friend of you. Kindly, it is my humble request to you, uweze kuweka mkono. I know you have that power. Muliquest atuongeze more slots sababu ometaka mbichilise itokusiga 300 gakinto isane county ngima. Kindly, it's my humble request our excellency our CEO, my boss, Mr. Kennedy Odede, to add Kisii County more slots as many as 500 and above. And I know our excellency, you will do it and you will make it. Kutoka hapo, our director, kuna shule tulifanyia assessment since Monday. Today we were in your school. Kindly, tupe hizo nafasi kwa niaba ya mheshimiwa. Hao watoto wake atoe wote Kichichi tulete shule wasome bwana. Wacha kutukazia. Tupe hao watoto wafanye nini? Wasome. We know this time around kama Kisii County kwa shirika letu ilianza kitambo. Lakini hatukuwa na gavana mzuri mwenye anaweka mkono tupate all programs in Kisii County. But now I'm very happy our excellency partner with our CEO tupate all programs zenye siku under Shofco sikuje Kisii na wananchi musaidike because it's an organization in over all programs for free without paying. Even school fees you don't want to pay. You don't pay school fees. But kuna ile pasari kidogo governor anaweka mkono anawa support sasa ndio inakuwa full free scholarship. Thank you so much and thank you our excellency. Hiyo ombi kindly na fikiria inasafika before tuanze kuadmit wanafunzi. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good. All the time. And all the time.
God is good and that is his stranger.
Familia wako mwanja pole mwabotere abana bae bose abaletsinge na ekinwele naboyo abantu bayikora mu bikawuga na kabateze ibintu byuka na nayo ngetemambya ndo wa graduation y'abana kibisa basi kama twabora twabagezesani twabikosoye muntu kopeke kama secretary na roro ya Nyamarani wewe na ras mangi ndoro ngaka soma pokona gani mheshimiwa Machuki Nyamara mheshimiwa wewe tele zero wako wanakuwa na wengi kwa wane ungasi sana yule mwenye yes go anga sisi ando mwaka wanyenye kani mwaka mwanja angukwana ngoja kwa chini msiwe Cross, we
ikiera leo kitegeo umupaka wetu Maasai na mumwete kanarika mwanarika arani yote ali mwana kwa mmoja wa watu maji wanatia nalo wanatia Yesu hano wakaenda mchana ikiera yombea yeye leo na maji sio wewe leo maji digo abanaba nitamo na temore yo kwa kwa songia na wewe kwa mwana kwa and the team Williams, and I'm so happy the team Mologo. Creo que viene ahí en 1.7 billion, una sangre y ya ni bebé. Y no, me gusta la maraca muy buena.
America graduation nge yoko na chiro okonyora abasubati nabo abantu ubona basaje kayiba abange n'ekigaba aigaba murangi bao nara ibani murangi bao oboche lazima trosigisa tigandikire gabo ebintu bireta taitu kuwana senye kamera kirega chiro cho lazima tote tukuwane egetimu abone egetimu ngaba nolengo oro kalima gabo nyugete skure yakandi ngamo okora mkorende senye chapate egeti kelele papa lazima tutuwane mesku naba yibon toroto keros yatumika Mheshimiwa Machuki, nima ego ni wanene, ego ni ya mwaka jamani. Ekaruga ekagenda mpaka Gogonga. Ajaba kwenye consistency ya Gogonga. Na watoto kuwata, toroni kitoka kwa msukie. Kendo chomo ene. Omwanchoe, ure familia yowe ene. Nere political advisor. Ayamonu kumwancha. Tiada buat terus itu korupsi, buat sesuatu, buat cowok itu, menyebar, berkhusus, mencari, akuni. Ini itu kira tahu apa lagi dia ni buat. Mua banyak. Ese ina wani buat ni, nak montor montuan.